So this Livewire Vault Blade confusion that's happening with Laravel 12 and the starter kits got me thinking, what is a good templating engine? What makes a good templating engine? What templating engines have I used in the past? And I think a good templating engine is one that allows you to inherit templates, extend templates. It's one that allows you to have filters, so date filters and number filters and all of that good stuff. One that can allow you to extend and create functions and be customizable for your project. And also just to parse the PHP variables and objects in an easy to use way in HTML. I don't think it needs to be attached to any form of JavaScript trickery or any form of CSS library. It shouldn't be opinionated. It shouldn't care how you use it. It's just an engine that can be used and tailored to however you want it to be. And I think that I have just described Twig. Twig is something that I've used for a very, very, very long time, way back in the old Symfony days. And actually, when I was writing Python code, Twig is very similar to Ginger 2, which we used and loved. And I haven't looked back. So yes, Blade's great, but I don't see the point in anything else. And I don't see the point in anything else other than Twig. I don't really get overly excited with updates to templating engines, I'm sorry. But there is a lot of confusion out there as to why Blade isn't the default for these Laravel starter kits, and what is the difference between Blade and Vault and Livewire and Inertia and all the other fancy things that are going on. One of the many reasons why I like Twig is that it's not opinionated in the sense of what I can add to it. I can use all sorts of different CSS libraries, all sorts of JavaScript libraries and frameworks. And it's not coupled to the framework. You can use Twig in WordPress, you can use Twig in Laravel, you can use Twig in Symfony, you can Twig anywhere really. It is just a PHP templating engine, and that's all a templating engine needs to be, in my opinion. But anyway, what do you think? Let me know.